So I thought this was pretty interesting. 57 two-door, Ford two-door Ranch Wagon, and it has the Roadster Shop chassis. I guess that's the mock-up of what it's going to look like, but this is pretty cool to see it before they put the body on. Wow. Very, very cool. The way that exhaust, I'll show the other side, the way the exhaust flows around. The lighting in here, especially with that black frame and black transmission, it just sucks the light up. But very cool.
Nice shirt.
Thanks. Very cool to see it before they put the body on. Love the air cleaner there. Anyway, I just wanted to shoot this because at some point it's going to have a body on it, and this is what it will look like prior to.